Guys, we're gonna do a YouTube video about hiking and just walking in nature. So, let's go. You want to switch actually?
Yeah.
Okay.
So for the guys that are watching right now, we're at my house. I'm Noah, if you don't know. We're at my house, and that right there where we started the video, that's her cabin. And me and Matthew have stayed out there before.
This is fun. The point. It's literally a point. I'm
Yeah.
not gonna go all the way to the edge because it's a little sketchy.
Yeah. And then there's a guy's combining corn right down there, if you can see.
Yep.
And then that's the river. The river.
Yeah, right down there. Just goes.
And the field over there, that's my uncle's bean field.
Okay. I'll go back on the trail.
So yeah, we made a 4-wheeler trail, me and my dad, about in the middle of summer probably. And it's really cool. I'm just gonna put this over quick.
What about that little grill?
It's fine. Okay. So let's go this way because it's less overgrown. The trail's right through there. We need to mow it though. But we can walk through here. Is that full? Oh no, it's empty.
There's a Hershey's.
Yeah, no, it's the one I came down here one day.
Oh, that'd be fun. Okay. So, yeah, we're just gonna do a little video on nature. We're not gonna go down because we're on top of a bluff, and if we kind of stumble, we're kind of not really gonna live. Yeah. This is just like a clearing that we found, which is perfect for this.
And after the deer trail here, we're just walking on it.
Yeah.
There's the part of the 4-wheeler trail right there. Our 4-wheeler, we would be using that right now, but we have to fix the oil. For any of those of you that knows what oil is, that went bad, so we have to fix that. One time we took the 4-wheeler down here.
Dang.
I did. See all this dead grass? That's from when we mowed the 4-wheeler trail. That's also a little cool area to go in.
Let's go on it.
Okay.
There's a little brush and a big tree branch that's fallen. And I'm going to take the hard way. He just wanted an entry. Okay. Ah, this is
a
nice.
bunch of like old corn stacks here, from like squirrels and stuff, because there's used to be a cornfield right up there.
There's the fence right here.
Yeah, we cut a tree down one time that was in the cornfield and we put it right here.
Yeah, this is a nice little area.
See all those pine trees up there, guys? That's where my house is.
Can't really see it right now, but you get the point.
Yeah.
Oh, some signs right here, guys. Signs, animals been living in there.
That looks like crap.
Yeah, let's get in the short stuff in case if there's any snakes.
There won't be snakes.
They like the...
deer traps. We also took the 4-wheeler through there and around here. The trail goes right here.
You go that way. I want to take this way. He's just going around here.
Trail goes right here. Or we can go this way. This way's kind of cool too.
This looks like their area where they sleep or something. It's just perfect and shady.
Yeah, it's a really big dip right here. If you
Yeah.
guys can't
Yeah, Jesus.
tell. And there's some hardware that Matthew just tripped over.
Da-da-da, da-da-da. You. Okay, no, I got it.
Okay.
Watch out for that.
Yeah. I'm surprised
More
we haven't-
signs. This is deer or rabbit, guys.
That's rabbit. Crap.
Maybe. We don't know. And
Yeah, up here.
there's a trail right down there, but we're gonna go up this way. Okay.
So guys, this is where me and Matthew were thinking of setting the fence up and staying.
We have a science project, and yeah.
And it's a little clearing and it's like awesome. And then my dad has a bush hog mower And we come out and mow this behind our little tractor. And then this is another little trail right through here.
Some rain.
A bunch of old trees back here. I kind of like this area.
Looks like some squirrels been enjoying some snacks in here. We're kind of going down the bluff a little. Down the hill, more adventurous, I guess. There's
kind of some deer trails back here that we're following.
Yeah. If you can't hear, it is windy.
The dip.
Maybe.
Do you know where the dip is?
I think so.
My dad tried taking my tractor down here.
So we're going back up to like
this is
flat.
Back up to where the trail is now.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna clear out some of these trees eventually too. Also guys, I have a YouTube channel. It's Noah Thompson is the name. And on my channel we do a little bit of gaming, not very much. And a lot of outdoor stuff.
Moles or something.
Gophers.
Thorn.
Oh, where's that tree stump? You see a big tree stump.
I don't know.
It's right. Oh, it's right up here. Here's part of the tree that my dad mowed over. There's a bean field. There's that tree stump.
Yeah.
And the tree that I'm gonna get through.
You want help? That's good.
Oh, there's a rabbit right there.
A rabbit just ran down there, guys.
Oh, birds.
Birds.
Some types of birds anyway.
Jesus. You hear that long bang? Over there somewhere. Do you wanna?
The dip is coming up that I was talking about. It's right down in there. But the entrance is over here. I used to come down here when I was a little kid. Oh, a bunch of thistles. Thistles suck. There's where we go out onto our trail. Out there we go next to the beach. But we're gonna show you guys
Ooh,
the
pokey.
dip.
All of this is thistles.
We need to come back here and spray this. There's a gunshot back there.
Yeah. Something over there. Hunters. Big thistle tree right there.
Here's a little area that I used to come when I was little.
Going around.
And I kind of
Oh, it's dead. I didn't want to go over it now.
I wouldn't really trust that part. That's
Just
why.
fell. Just fell.
I saw it breaking and I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna trust that.
Wait, I'm still gonna try, guys, because I'm weird. Oh, got it.
Okay,
Oh yeah, you showed me this before.
yeah.
It's fun. Hey, here's another thing. There's an old bucket or something. Oh,
Here, this really cool,
one of those big vines. Okay, I'm making my way down. This would be a fun area to set up in for our project. Just get a tarp.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
here's
my
old
great grandpa he used to come down and like throw metal and junk and stuff back here. That's why there's junk. This is washed out from rain. That's why all the metal. Oh, this is the kind of cool tree I was talking about.
Roots are right there and it just goes.
Yeah, and then there's some more metal stuff back here in a plastic.
Hey, we should
milk
go down
carton.
there.
It's like a little fort almost.
Ooh, ow. Oh, my foot is stuck. Got it. Okay. Okay, this is mainly to crawl through all this. Mushroom right here. Yeah, that's a mushroom.
Ow.
Ow. Poke the tree. Let's see. I'm just gonna. One more tin. Water. Pokey. Ow.
This way. Let me lead. Yeah, let's go right here.
I made it. Oh, I'm slipping. Okay.
Made it. Oh, I'm slipping.
A fallen tree. That was a fun little adventure. Noah's still working. You got it? It's sturdy. You just walk down now. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Something must be living down in there. There's a big hole. I don't know if you guys saw it or not.
Now it's kind of just free walking again.
Yeah.
I used to come and hike down here when I was like my brother's age.
Jesus.
If any of you don't know my brother, his name is Josh and he's 6 years old. That
No.
used to be a den right there for a raccoon.
This looks more rock. So, oh, let's go up here a little ways.
No, Matt.
There's no tree.
My grandpa made a trail, or my great grandpa made a trail back through here. And if you keep going, you'll find a big stone wall. Oh, it's over there more though. That my grandpa made for cattle.
Ooh, drop off, guys.
Yeah, you got
It's a little bigger than it probably looks on camera. Oh my god.
Yeah, there's a view of it right there.
Yeah. That'd be kind of cool watching that rain when it rains a lot.
Oh yeah, there's a waterfall that we have. I mean, it's whenever the snow melts in the spring, but it's really cool to watch.
I'm just gonna go down right away. He's gonna take that way. Oh god. Here's a
Matthew, catch.
wow.
Matthew, you're going under a bridge.
Oh wow, I kind of am. There's a lot of boulders. Well, not really boulders, but a lot of weird shaped rocks.
Well, it is a washed out.
A lot of trees tipped over now.
Yeah.
We just need to know our way back. I have a
just follow
GPS
the
on my
big
phone,
ravine, that's our way
and
back.
yeah, and we follow the break ravine.
Yeah, I won't
Broken
trust
tree.
that. I won't really trust that. What are you?
There's a bucket like ledged in. If you guys can't see that, right
It's an
there.
Oil barrel.
Right there. Yeah. My camera doesn't really focus as good as some others. Wow. I'm just like a beast with this. I break everything in sight. Looks like,
Also because
honestly, this is where that barrel was. It looks like something's living though.
Matthew, if
Here.
you keep following this down right here, it goes down to the road when we started the video. You know, the river, if you keep following this trail, it goes down to there.
We might have time to do that actually.
These are all boards.
Huh. Let's keep going though. Oh! Some old wood is just falling down from way up there. That's cool.
Hey, I see an old hose. It's an old green hose. Oh, geez.
Oh,
Matthew,
I
this.
see it.
Matthew, I grabbed this to
Right.
hang on to and it just broke off.
Just like right
Hey,
there.
is that a culvert right here? Looks like an old building culvert. Hey, there's another hose.
Hey, there's, oh my God.
And another one.
This is weird. Huh, I mean, this looks like a lot of washed away stuff on.
Oh, dude, look at the roots to that tree.
Oh, I need to go film. I did not break another branch here, if you guys are wondering. Look at that. This is like, I'm like in under the roots. Pretty dope. Oh, this looks like it just fallen.
Yeah,
So it's
it did.
colors and everything.
So, careful, bud.
Yeah, I know. This is, whoa, look at that. That's like at least 10 foot.
More than that.
More.
20 foot.
Oh God, I'd be a temple run.
Actually, what?
Hey, if that breaks, I'm dead. Please don't. Ow! Jesus, I almost gotten killed by this.
I'm good. Just kind of fell.
Kind of.
Yeah, just a little.
Okay. This is tall. We're like still in that spillway. If you guys don't know, but like look.
It goes to the bottom of the bluff.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Just like, I maybe could edit this and get a time lapse, but it's a little work. Here's a boulder, like an actual boulder.
Oh, you know what's fun?
Mossy rocks, what?
If we got like a really good off-road vehicle and that could drive through this terrain.
That'd be awesome. I don't know if I want to go under or around. I might go around. I don't want to hurt myself. He's taking under. Well, I could have done it. Oh gosh. Here's another cool tree.
Hey,
If you
there's a
guys-
rock in the roots of that tree.
That's funny. Oh, some mushrooms.
Yeah, some orange ones.
The little baby ones, and then there's a big chunk of one. And if you guys want more videos like these, just comment down below. And if you like videos like these, I also do some music. Oh, sweet! Ahead of something.
Let me see.
Oh, bro, there has to be more around.
This squirrel.
Something. We don't know.
Put it in your pocket and we'll take it up and show it to my dad.
Cool rock. Okay.
Oh, we should have that.
Actually, your pockets are bigger.
My pockets are full.
I wish I brought my better M&M sweatshirt. But actually, oh, look at that. That tree's like, oh gosh.
Holy crap, look at this boulder.
Oh my God, that probably got washed out. That would have been scary if this was raining right now. Everything would be slippery because of the mud. This looks like where most water gets like on.
Because it's all muddy.
Yeah, it's super muddy.
My
Actually,
foot's sunk in there.
yeah, it's like, oh gosh.
Yeah, look at this. Think the beaver was here?
Oh, this is cool, guys. So it's like a big tree going down from something, and then it just, like this
I'm
must,
surprised how many fallen trees there are.
yeah, there's a lot of fallen trees. There's like at least
Hey,
30.
I think I can see the road.
But yeah, this is like way up there somewhere. We're just kind of went down this. It's an old piece of tin.
Yeah, what?
And we are 19 minutes and 11 seconds. And mine can go up to 5 hours of videotaping. It's not like my old phone where it can only do 8 minutes. And it keeps going.
My iPad can only film for.
Oh, really? That's kind of weird. Maybe it's like a storage. This is kind of sketchy. A lot of broken branches, and we only have
Yeah,
mossy.
it looks like something did it though. Because look, there's like a bunch cutting this way, and then one going like this.
Maybe if we get down. Hey, found some cool mushrooms. Hey, we could probably. Oh, jeez. Bro, okay. So if you guys, there's some
Come on, Matt,
mushrooms.
those roots right there, right behind you.
Then
Right down. Look down.
Oh, whoa. This is like all tangled up in each other. We could send this to Mr. Tash too.
Yeah,
Actually, I could just tell him my YouTube channel.
good.
I fail.
Oh, I wonder how challenging it would be to get up there.
Videotape me. I'm gonna give it a try.
No, I'm going to.
No. I want to try too. Here's some roots. Sturdy. Actually, I might stay down.
Yeah, I'm gonna head back down. It's actually a lot steeper.
It's a lot steeper than it thinks, yeah. Oh, God.
No grip right here.
It's actually like, oh, sweet. I found something cool. Okay, he's back.
I made
But,
it.
yeah. This,
Survived to the mountain.
imagine how all of this, I'm fine. Imagine how all this happened though. Like all of these big dips had to fill up with water and keep going.
Ow.
Oh, sweet. There's like a line.
Oh yeah. And there's another bridge. Above that line.
Yeah, look. And there's just a
It's a bridge.
straight.
There's chipmunks.
Yeah. No kidding. We might not go all the way down to the well because I don't know if I'll film going back up. But if you want, you can do more videos like this. It's honestly more fun for us. Oh, sweet. Got the tin, but look at that. Oh, I'm gonna look at this, guys. This is a huge rock. I'm kind of scared to.
Like something's like sketched in here.
Yeah, I know. Like, look, this is literally all rock now, and it just goes down and down.
Yeah, this is
It's
kind of
like-
like our waterfall.
It's like, yeah, it's like a waterfall.
Hey guys, there's another ravine coming in right down there.
Yeah, there's, look at, if you can't see, it's another ravine, and it just spills right down right where that rock is, right?
Hey, maybe we should start to
There.
head back up because it's only gonna get steeper.
Yeah, okay. I will just take one little more.
Hey, maybe we should head up the other ravine.
Yeah, we should. We just have to know our way back. I had my GPS set. Like, look at this. This is literally,
Yeah, like look
All
at these
rock.
plates.
yeah,
It's
they're
like
literally
plates.
plates of rock. I don't know what that's called, layers but we're gonna try going up the other ravine and all the way back around like this and keep going up instead of going just straight up because you guys already seen all that.
Yeah.
This is really slippery though. Okay. I'll
Yeah,
stop
the
talking
boss
so you
makes
can
it-
admire. We can stop talking so you can admire it if you really want to. Big slabs.
Time lapse going back up.
Yeah, I could. Oh, guys, oh gosh, this is really wet. There's literally still water.
Yeah. Hey, what's that? It's like a black paint can.
Oh, that's probably an old oh crap.
Hey, look down there. There's like a whole huge puddle of water.
Just
Hey,
wait.
this way, Matt. This way.
You go down first. I'm gonna videotape you. Just don't kill yourself. We kind of have to live. I have to post this on YouTube, then we can die. No, I'm joking. Ow! I just cut my thumb.
Also,
I just slid all the way down that. My butt is all black. Sorry.
But me and another one of my friends were at a campground
His-
last weekend.
His.
Hey, look right there.
Oh, I'm gonna
Cool little,
videotape
like,
that.
shelter. But anyway, guys, me and my friend, were at a campground.
Oh, there's an actual cave, bro.
Really?
Yeah, look. Okay, just like I don't want to break my phone, but there's an actual cave,
Whoa.
and I wanna.
Hey, turn on the flashlight. Actually, I have a flashlight on my phone.
Okay, I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, here. I'm getting it out, guys.
This is like an actual mini cave. It's probably more for raccoons, if anything. Well,
It
like-
goes way back there, guys.
Yeah, we can see it. It like drops.
Yeah.
Okay,
This is cool as shit. I mean, crap. Sorry.
I'm gonna edit that out.
Yeah, sorry. But me and my friend were, like I was trying to say before, we're doing a video of rock climbing in a campground,
Oh God.
and we made a mini fort. Like, it's not really big fort.
If you guys didn't catch his YouTube name, it's Noah Thompson. It's the one with, what's the picture?
The movie Dukes of Hazzard?
Dukes of Hazzard, it's the car
It's the
with
car
number one.
General Lee. That's what it's called, the General Lee. That's what my profile picture is.
Mine, if you don't know, it's the Punisher. And
Oh, dude, look right here, Cookie.
yeah, it's like,
Here. This
We
is really
should-
cool.
oh, there's a tire. Look, guys, there's like an actual tire.
Yeah, and it's holding that rock up.
Oh my gosh, we better not mess with that. Otherwise, that's gonna be coming sliding down to us.
Yeah.
Oh god, this is wet.
Yeah.
Or my shoes are really muddy. No, my shoes are still fine, actually. Yeah, look, there's like actually water still. That's dope. That's kind of fun. Hey, I'm gonna get up on this rock.
I'm gonna go down.
Okay. So yeah, I think we should start heading back up because we're far in the video and down here.
Gosh, it's like a foot deep right here.
Nice. So we'll make a second part of this. I'm gonna upload this while we're still hiking, and then I'll videotape again. So see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe and like.